Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SlayByCiara. So today I'm coming with a Bohemian Faux Loc tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then continue to watch. So first I'm just going to start off by showing you my braid pattern. So I have zigzag braids going in the back. I did them kind of big, only because these locks are super big, so it's up to you. If you're using smaller locks, I probably wouldn't do them this big. And then I'm going to be doing individuals all in the front of my head. As you saw, I had 3 in the back just to cover over where the regular crochet is going to be. So to do my parts, I'm using the Eco Styler gel. Yeah, it's Eco Styler gel to make my parts, and I'm doing squares. And I'm not using rubber bands for this method. We're just going in and just regularly braiding our hair. So you kind of want to get as close to your scalp. You don't have to do them super tight. I think I did do mine tight, but you don't have to do it as tight as me. So once you do that, you just want to braid your hair all the way down so that it will tuck into the lock properly. So once I do have this all done, I'm going to show you what all of the individuals are going to look like in the front of my head. So I ended up doing about 27 individuals, and that includes the 3 in the back. Now I should have made these parts bigger because the locks are so thick, but it's okay. It just gave me a fuller look. So the locks that I will be using are from Bobbi Boss. They're the big locks. They're 20 inches, and I used 6 packs. So again, as you saw, the back for the back of my head, I will be doing regular crochet. So I just take the crochet needle through, or the latch hook, whatever you want to call it. I don't want anyone trying to correct me. And I stick it through the braids of my head, attach the loop to it, and then just pull it through. So I just show you in real time what it looks like, and then just gonna speed up through the rest of my head and install the rest of the crochet. Okay, so after all the crochet is installed, this is basically what it's gonna look like. And now it's time for the individuals. So I'm showing you what the loop looks like in the front. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that latch hook and you're gonna go through the plait of the braid, and then you're gonna attach the loop to the hook. You're gonna close the hook, and then you're gonna pull it through. Again, if you don't make your braids tight, it'll go through very smoothly. I'm used to it, so this doesn't hurt for me personally. So you're gonna open up the loop and you're gonna pull through your braid in the lock, and you wanna pull that all the way through. So I've slowed this down so you guys can really see what I'm doing. Once you have that all the way through, you're going to pull and secure the lock. And because of your braid, trust me, your lock's not going anywhere. So next, what you're going to do is you're going to stick the latch hook through the lock, and as you see, I'm kind of squeezing down on the lock, pinching down on it as I'm pushing it through. These locks are so thick, so it's going to go through it fairly easy. And you want to bring it all the way through to the top of the loop, but not to your plait, just to the top of the loop. So once you have it through, you're going to take your braid and you're going to attach it to the latch hook, and then you're going to secure it, and then you're going to pull your braid through, and it disappears. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat this step. So because my hair, I guess, is kind of longer, that's why I'm breaking it up into sections, so it's easier to control for me. So when you're doing the next section, you want to make sure that you're coming up to where the braid is directly sticking out of the lock. If you don't make it right to where it is, you can go at least as close as possible, because these locks are thick, your hair is still going to be covered, like you won't be able to tell. So you want to do this all the way into the very end of your braid. This lock, you don't have, with this type of lock, I know some people add like braiding hair and take it all the way down to the end of the lock, but again, because these are very thick locks, and the hair that's used to make these locks, it's not necessary. Your hair, your braids are not going to pop out of these locks. I've had them in for a while now, and trust me, they have not gone anywhere. So this is basically the process that you're going to repeat for all of the individuals that you decide to put in your head. You do not have to put as many as I did. I guess I just went for a fuller look, so that's my fault. But it really didn't take me long because I've been doing this method for a long time. So I was able to get through this fairly quickly, and once you get the hang of it, trust me, the whole process is very easy. Okay, so once I had them all completed, this is what she's looking like. Not satisfied with it, so we're going to spice it up a little bit. So next I'll be going in with the Model Bohemian Curl crochet hair. So what I'm going to do is just crochet this into my hair randomly. So again, you stick the latch hook through the plait of your braid, you attach the hair, you kind of form that loop, you go ahead and knot one side of it, and you kind of twist it about 3 to 4 times depending on whatever you want to do, and then you just pull to secure it. And we're just going to add a little bit of curls throughout the hair. So again, I'm just randomly placing this throughout the hair. It's no specific area, you kind of just want to eyeball it. Do add this in the back of your head, I'm not showing, but I did add curls all through the back of my head as well, because you don't want it just in the front, you want it dispersed out everywhere pretty evenly. And then once you have all the hair added, you do want to go ahead then and separate the curls to again make it look fuller, more volume, add some stuff to it. I did go ahead and add some jewels to it, and that's gonna be pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys the finished look on the Bohemian Faux Locs. I've always loved Faux Locs. I haven't had them in a long time, so I was happy to do them. I hope you like them, and thank you for watching my tutorial, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.